The enemy reaches the battle. Attack! Smash them! Okay. All troops deploy. Understood.
Ano ka lang range?
This world alone befits my ambition. Divine will. My ground gleams not with heavenly light. The fate of my first blood. Retreat. You have slain an enemy. Good job. Slain. Launch attack. Like the burnt peony, I emerge from the ashes. Rule with strength and conviction. Blossom with grace and compassion.
Lalaban pag lamang ha.
We're behind the goal. Solo kill. Divine will. You have slain an enemy. For this moment end. Answer for your transgressions.
Papa, yung lane mo! Ay, shit!
Turtle reach level 4. Enemy reach that shall echo through the ages. No refuge from my wrath. Not ready. Killing spree. Killing the turtle. Launch attack.
Bigyan, bigyan! Sakayin na.
Launch attack. My legacy.
Sige, sige.
Slain. The throne is but a symbol. My right will transcend.
Melissa is silently farming.
At times. Attack! Oh, not ready. Shut down. Enemy double kill.
Nagawa nyo.
Anong ginagawa?
Oo. Bibig nyo.
Ay, magpapatama ka.
Witness the wrath of the Imperial Phoenix. We're behind
Nasa
the goal.
tower, sinuhod nyo. Ano yun?
Divine will.
Wait lang, guys. Stop moving for a second.
Lumalakas si Tamos oh.
Divine will. Insolence. My will shall not be challenged.
Sinugod sa
Initiate retreat. An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain. Initiate retreat. The Phoenix reigns. An enemy has been slain. The throne beckons its turtle. Understood.
Papunta na ako dyan.
Kneel before your enemies.
Oh, wag lahat. Agaw lang, still lang. Papunta na kami.
Launch attack. Imperial Phoenix.
natin dahil inagaw. Sige, patayan. Diba?
Launch attack! Launch attack! With each step,
Ayan, sa ilalim mo. Sisa.
my legacy, be it glory or infamy, is no refuge from my battle. Ally has been
Ba't doon ka tumakbo sa taas?
Empress must rest.
Hindi ka bumaba.
Hindi sa baba. Hinarangan ko din.
Lumaban ka na.
Enemy battle spell on CD. We're behind. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
Pamatay kay Karina.
This is the worst part. Turn the dance.
Legendary. Decreed my fall.
Asan kayo?
Hanggang napabayaan ko eh. Sinabi ko si Tama.
Unstable method. Our turret.
Oh, yan ang
Gather for
epekto.
fight.
Dito yung matitigas eh.
Retreat from the turtle. From ashes to empress. Our turret is under attack. Launch attack.
Wag nyo nakabuli yan. Tumatakbo yan. Atras na. Sa turtle na. Inaaya lang kayo sa karamihan yan.
Imperial wing. An ally has slain the turtle.
Oh, yan na. Nandyan na lahat ha. Oh.
Marami na.
Oh. Sige. Oh, bawas-bawas ha.
That was amazing. Next, an enemy has been slain.
Ang tumakbo.
Sige. Karina una.
Destroy a turret has been. Your team destroyed a turret.
No, we have.
Gather for team fight.
Wala.
Okay. Fight. Like the burnt peony, our turret has been destroyed. Ashes.
Ayaw sumahal man ni ano.
Gather for team
Militia.
fight.
Target Karina.
Gather for team fight. Imperial Phoenix. Ult is ready.
Karina, ganun. Oh. Target Karina.
The throne. My right to rule transcends eternity. Superb control. No justice from my back.
Sige.
Request
Dito,
backup.
dito, dito.
Guys, vengeance.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Ikutan mo, ikutan mo. Huwag ka dyan. Ay, doon dumaan. Dapat dito ka dumaan sa damo. Nasa gitna na.
Gather for team fight. Initiate retreat. Imperial Phoenix. An enemy has been slain. Superb tanking. That was amazing. Attack. Okay. That was amazing. Kneel before your enemy. Our turret is under attack.
Hello, si Kari.
Gastusin ko na yung ulti ko sa kanya. Baka makatakas to.
Initiate retreat.
Uwi na, uwi na.
Gather up the Lord.
I lay awake at night.
Attack the Lord.
Ito na, oh. Tower na. Sige, kunin niyo na yung Lord, kunin niyo na yung Lord.
Imperial Phoenix. Gather up the Lord. Answer for your transgressions. Mega kill. Will.
Patay kay Melissa, ang lakas ni Melissa.
Depart will. Enemy double kill.
Ha? Dapat pala kinuha ko na lang. Ano ba yan?
An ally has slain Lord.
Nakuha yung ano, Lord?
Such futility. Yet
Basag na. Sige, sige.
Destroy the turret.
Atras na. Nandiyan na sila. Sino sa taas? Si
my
Melissa.
legacy,
Launch attack.
or infamy.
Initiate request. Back.
Liga, samahan natin si Melissa dun.
Monster kill. Lord.
Strength and power.
No fair. You have slain an enemy. Good day. Attack.
The finest palace blueprints.
Quest backup.
Sige. Oh. Oh, atras na. Ubus tayo.
Has been slain. Ally has been slain. Defend the turret.
From ashes to empress, my rebirth is
Defend
eternal.
the turret. Gather for team fight. Imperial Phoenix. Under attack.
My strategy spans centuries. For those I silently guard.
Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
With each step, I pave a path untrodden,
Wala sila, oh.
forging a legacy that shall echo through the ages. My legacy,
Solo kill.
Atras!
or infamy.
The Phoenix Ray.
Enemy double spell on
Kasi. Tabing gather for team.
Gather for team fight. Gather for team fight.
At times I
Request
lie awake at night.
Sa taas, tara.
Memories of yesteryear.
Sige na.
Friends.
Gather for team fight.
Dito ka, bumaba ka.
Slain.
Baba ka. Sige, tara.
Earth damage. Well played.
Ang tirahin niyan, puta naman, oh. Gago naman to si Melissa. oh.
Imperial Phoenix. Killing spree. No rescue from my wrath. You have slain an enemy.
Nakita mo yung superb control.
Deploy will.
Lord kami.
Attack the Lord. Insolence. My will shall not be challenged. Imperial ally has slain.
Uwi muna ako.
Merely a beast to be tamed. How disappointing.
Witness the wrath
Pwede
of
mo-
the Imperial Phoenix. Initiate retreat fight. Gather for team fight. Initiate retreat.
Sige, tara.
The throne is but a symbol.
Attack.
Follow Lord's petty court squad.
Follow Lord.
Ayan o, si Karina!
Initiate retreat. The Phoenix Ray.
Full atras, full atras.
Destroyed a turret.
Atras lang. Yan, tower na. Diyan mo labanan. Diyan ka lang.
僕のスキルが必要
Buy time, buy time.
Under attack.
Ayan na, dalawa na kayo. Ba't pumasok ka, Gian?
Your team destroyed a turret.
Like the burnt peony, I emerge from the ashes.
Launch attack. Team fight. Imperial Phoenix.
Saan? Ayoko na, parang gusto ko na mag-lead. Sisa na yan, sisa na yan.
My legacy
Nagpapahabol lang, nagpapahabol lang.
is for
Initiate retreat. No seconds from my back. No. Great initiation.
Hayaan nyo na yan.
How I die.
Hayaan nyo na.
Huwag niyo pansinin yan.
with
Diyan di-distract lang yan.
I
Ginagawa
pave
tayong
a
tanga.
path untrodden, forging a legacy that shall echo.
Uy, inis-isan niya.
A most auspicious gift.
Launch attack.
Basag na, basag na.
The crown
Ayan, napatay.
Launch attack.
Yan lang ha, sa creeps ha, sabay na.
Divine will. Our turret is under attack. Request backup.
Wala, Melissa.
Wag,
and
wag.
my crown gleams
O
not
sige, sige.
light.
Sige na.
Bayan.
Your sentence.
O, uwi muna, uwi muna, uwi muna. Uwi muna.
Lord.
Heal tayo, heal, dali.
Such futility. Yet like a moth to flame.
Defend, defend.
Sunod na sa Lord ha. Isa't isa na to.
Mid, mid.
Yun na yung lamang natin, yung Lord.
The throne
Unahin si
is
Karina,
my
Gian ha.
My right to rule transcends petty squalor.
O yun, o yun, sa gilid o. Tara, tara, sa gilid. Dito sa taas
My
o.
crown gleams not with heavenly light, but with the faith of my people.
Ayan si Lord.
Imperial Phoenix. Divine will.
With each step, I pave a path untrodden. Forging a legacy.
No seconds from my back. Control. Grand Flame.
Slay all sides.
Lord.
Si Karina nasa likod.
Imperial Phoenix.
Wag na, wag na, wag na. Sige, Lord, ano yan, basag, basag, basag.
Shut down.
Hindi pa tapos. Mag-hold on pa. Palak.
Hindi pa tapos, lamang sila. Kaya hindi tayo pwedeng mamatay sabay-sabay.
Your team destroyed a turret. Request backup.
Kahit si Melissa lamang nasa gold. Bawal tayo mamatay. Parehas lang sila ni Layla eh.
Plucked from the finest palace blooms.
Isa't isa. Ako sa harap, Gian.
Wait lang, mag-wait kayo, mag-wait kayo. Lamang yan, lima yan.
We're behind in gold.
Atras, atras. Magantay kayo.
Initiate
My
retreat.
May-
resource is
May
eternal.
Melissa pa. May Melissa pa.
Alam nyo, kapag ganun dyan na si
Dito lang kayo. Antayin nyo si Melissa.
My strategy
Ayun na, wala nang
spans
ulti tamos,
centuries.
wala nang ulti
For
tamos.
those I
O sige na,
silently
pasok na.
guard.
Si Kyrie, si Kyrie, si Kyrie.
Pasukan mo.
Nagbumoto si Kyrie. Nagbumoto na. Nagbumoto. Moto si Kyrie. Moto. Habol na.
Push na, push na.
Push!
Good.
Meron akong isang pin na kumura. Tapos...
At times I lay awake at night,
Tapusin!
flooded with memories of yesteryear.
Namatay pa yun? Basag na. Nandiyan na sila, dali. Nandiyan na.
Basag! Hayaan nyo na matamakin kayo. Basag na! Oh!
Hey!
Victory!
Hindi ako eh.
Hindi ako.
Sino?
Melissa.
Ay, si ano, Melissa. Na-master ko yun.
11 ka kuya. Ano ba yan? Patay mo.